Bean sprouts are delicious, easy to cook, and most importantly, they are packed with nutrients and high antioxidants. Today, we are making simple stir-fry vegetarian bean sprout in less than 5 minutes. The ingredients are 500 grams of bean sprout. These bean sprouts have been washed and the roots removed. See, they look so clean and beautiful. Remove the roots are optional. 1 cup of Chinese chives, 1 red chili cut, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. This is very quick and easy. Let's cook. Switch on the heat to high. Wait for the pan to heat up. Put in all garlic oil. Use the spatula to spread the oil over the pan and wait until the oil becomes really hot. Put in all bean sprouts. Give the bean sprout a stir to coat them with garlic oil over the heat. Add in all chives, chilies, sesame oil, pepper, salt, and light soy sauce. For the light soy sauce, pour it around the pan to spread its flavor. When the sauce touches the hot pan, it releases a lovely fragrance. Now add in half teaspoon of crispy fried garlic. Keep the rest for garnishing. Next, stir fry for about 45 seconds. The bean sprout cook very fast and releases a lot of gravy. See, there is a lot of gravy here. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. Additional seasoning can be added as preferred. However, this is already perfect. So, I switch off the heat. Simple stir-fry bean sprout is done. This is best served immediately when it is hot, so I will dish out and serve. It is optional to serve the bean sprout with gravy. I will leave it out as bean sprout will continue to cook with the residual heat from the gravy and become too soft. Next, sprinkle the crispy fried garlic and serve. Let's eat! Wow, lovely! Very tasty and flavorful. The bean sprout is very crunchy. The crispy garlic adds crispy texture and aromatic fragrance. With a bit of nice fresh taste of chive, they goes really well indeed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon for the simple home-cooked delicious dishes like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!